video on EasySender, an email deliverability platform that will help you reach your recipients' inboxes and avoid the spam folders. With this, you're going to be able to optimize your deliverability, monitor it, and make sure your campaigns are successful. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look into 3 features here where EasySender provides them, and then also the Postmaster integration. We're going to talk about it. That's going to be a separate video for the detailed stuff. Now let's start with email verification. The general idea for this is to keep your list hygiene in a very good shape. You upload a bulk email file, and it will verify that these emails can get emails from you, and make sure that they exist. So you don't send out emails to addresses that don't exist or have issues, and that will negatively impact your deliverability, of course. So filtering these out will be beneficial for your reputation in general. You have 3 options to do this. Bulk, where you upload the file that I mentioned. You can do this manually as well. And then the third option is to connect the APIs. And then we have a separate tab for the API verification results where you can check it there. So let's go ahead and do the test for 2 of them here. So bulk upload, let's go ahead and upload a test file that I have created here. And you're gonna click on verify now, and it's gonna verify it. Once this is done, you're gonna get an email with the results. And also you can hover over this, check very quickly what the results are. If you click on download, you have specific detailed stuff that you can select and then download the file and check your results. Very easy to use. Now the manual one is you just type in the email addresses, or you can copy and paste them, of course. Click enter and then type in something else. If I click on verify, it's going to take me to the instant verification tab, and it's going to verify that it's my actual mailbox, so it's deliverable. That's pretty much how to use this tool. And also, like I said, the API verification options that you have, where you can integrate this with your applications. But the general idea is for list hygiene. Make sure you're sending emails to addresses that can get emails from you do exist. So moving on, we also have the email optimizer, and this is you connect the mailbox to this, start sending out emails before you actually start using it, kind of like a warm-up. The inbox placement, if I click on this, is a very useful feature as well. You can test your deliverability status with this one. So let's go ahead and create a test. Let's name this something. Okay, and then select the ESPs that we want to run the test against. And as you can see, you have Gmail and Google Workspace in here. Click on next, and then you can select the count of mailboxes that you want to send these emails to, that you want to run the test for. You click on next, and then you're going to get an ID and a list of recipients. What I want to do at this point is I want to copy the recipients first, go ahead in my inbox, create a test, paste all of them into my to field, and then go ahead and grab the ID. I'm going to put the ID in the subject and in the body of the email. So click on send. The email is sent now. I'm going to go back in here, and I'm going to click I have sent the email. This might take a little bit, but usually it doesn't take a lot of time. So you're going to see the progress in front of you. Once this is done, we can actually go ahead and start checking the results. There we go. We have emails landing in inbox. Missing is where we didn't get them yet. So there we go. We're getting them. And if I close this, we're going to see the ESPs and then a general overview of the results that we're getting. So far, every single one of them is landing in the inbox, which is a good thing, which is what you want. This is also not only for reputation testing or the current deliverability status. You can also check if your email content is good against these ESP's algorithms. For example, Outlook is usually sensitive for links that you have in your email. Previous tests that I've done, some of them did land in the spam. just because I have my candle link and stuff like that in the email content. But this time every single one of them landed in the inbox. If we click on it, it's just gonna show the recipients and then some detailed stuff where it landed, also the header. So that's how to use this, again, to test the deliverability status. Very useful to run a test before sending out a campaign with the same content and see where you're gonna land in these ESPs inboxes. Last thing here, we have a Google Postmaster integration as well. This is gonna be a separate video for the detailed dive, but you just connect your using APIs, the Google Postmaster APIs, you connect your domain and it's gonna display all the data in here and show it to you so you can monitor the status. Lastly, we have the notifications tab where you can enable some notifications to be updated when it comes to these features. That's it. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.